Tsuga dumosa, commonly called the Himalayan hemlock or in Chinese, Yunnan tieshan, simplified Chinese, Y. Traditional Chinese, O Grav W5I, pinyin, Yunnan tieshán, is a species of conifer native to the eastern Himalayas. It occurs in parts of Nepal, India, Bhutan, Burma, Vietnam, Tibet, and China. Within its native range, the tree is used for construction as well as for furniture. In Europe and North America, it is occasionally encountered as an ornamental species and was first brought to the United Kingdom in 1838. Description: Tsuga dumosa is a tree growing 20 to 25 meters, 65 to 80 feet, high and exceptionally to 40 meters, 130 feet. The diameter at breast height is typically 40 to 50 centimeters, 16 to 20 in, but can be beyond 100 centimeters, 40 in. The crown on small trees is ovoid and their form is like that of pendulous bushes. Older trees tend to have multiple stems from one or two sinuous boles, especially in cultivation. The crown of mature trees is broad, irregular, pyramidal and open. The bark is similar to that of an old larch, somewhat pinkish to gray-brown and heavily ridged with broad, shallow, flaky fissures. The branches are oblique or horizontal. The twigs are reddish-brown or grayish-yellow in their first year and are pubescent, i.e. covered with short hairs. Branches that are 2 to 3 years old are grayish-brown or dark gray with leaf scars. The wood from the tree is a brownish-yellow with a fine structure and straight veins. The leaves are spirally arranged, pointing forward on the branches and placed distantly from one another compared to other species in the genus Tsuga. They are linear in shape and 10 to 25 millimeters, 0.5 to 1 in, long by 2 to 2.5 millimeters, 0.07 to 0.1 in, wide. The ends are obtuse or rounded and very occasionally emarginate. The upper surface of the leaves is green and shiny, while the undersides have 2 wide silvery stomatal bands. The upper half of the leaves usually have small dents on the margins, i.e. the margins are rarely entire. The midrib is concave on the upper surface. The staminate flowers are globous in shape, solitarily arranged and axillary. The anthers are a green-yellow in color, and they lack an air sac. The pistillate flowers are round ovate in shape, also solitarily arranged, terminal and slightly down-curved. They have many spiral scales with 2 ovules contained within each scale. The seeds are about 9 millimeters, 0.4 in, long, ovate in shape, brown in color, and have thin wings in their upper parts. Flowering occurs from April to May and fruiting from October to November. Range and habitat: Tsuga dumosa is generally associated with the Himalayan mountains. In India, it occurs from Uttarakhand in the west to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The range continues southeast to northern Burma and Vietnam, and northeast to southeastern Tibet and into China, where it occurs in northwestern Yunnan and southwestern Sichuan. In Vietnam, it is only found at altitudes above 1,500 meters, 5,000 feet, on Hong Lin Sun Mountain. In that country, it is usually mixed with rhododendron spp. and Abies pingro, though it can sometimes form a pure stand. It is adapted to areas with a cold climate and high rainfall and high humidity. References